Hi everybody, welcome to my channel, Rosie Cooks. I made sweet and sticky chicken thighs and some bok choy on the side. There's also a really good sauce on the bok choy. Have you ever had it? It's really good. Let's make it. Now I have a hot skillet and I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. And these are 4 boneless, skinless chicken thighs. Now I'm going to add some spices. This is ½ teaspoon increments, salt, pepper, onion powder, garlic powder. I'm going to mix them together. I'm going to add half of my seasonings to one side of my chicken thighs. I'm going to cover my chicken thighs and cook them for 15 minutes. Now after 15 minutes, I'm going to flip everything over, add the rest of my spices, and then I'm going to cover it and cook it for another 10 minutes. Now I'm going to work on my sauce. This is a bowl with 1/3 cup of brown sugar. I'm adding 1/3 cup of soy sauce. And these are 3 minced garlic cloves, 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar, 1 teaspoon of fish sauce, and 1 tablespoon of honey. I'm going to mix everything together, and that's my sauce for my chicken. Now I'm just going to pour it all over my chicken, and you're going to cook it for another 3 to 4 minutes, just until that sauce starts to really caramelize and bubble up and thicken up. Oh, it gives so much flavor to the chicken. It's really good. So now I'm going to start making my side dish. These are bok choy. You can find bok choy in most markets. So I cut them in half. And off to the side, I have a big pot of boiling water. I added 1 teaspoon of salt. I'm going to blanch my bok choy for 1 minute. That's all it takes. Okay, and then I'm just going to remove them and drain them and set them to the side. I'm going to make a delicious sauce. This is a 1/4 cup of water and 1 teaspoon of cornstarch. 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1½ tablespoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, and 4 cloves of minced garlic. Now I'm going to take my ingredients and I'm going to put them in a small saucepan. And over medium heat, I'm going to bring them up to a bubble. I'm going to cook them for a few minutes just until it starts to thicken up. And I'm telling you, this is such a good sauce for your bok choy. And bok choy is so healthy, has a lot of calcium. I'll leave some information about bok choy in the description box. Okay, you guys, look at this. I have my chicken and my bok choy, and I even made some rice. This is a really good meal. My chicken has a really good flavor. And my bok choy. The sauce on the bok choy. Oh, it's really, really good. I've made this chicken with some sticky wings. It's a good sauce. It's really tangy. It's really, really good. And the bok choy, oh my goodness, that sauce, you can put it on anything. If you wanted to put it on broccoli, really brings it out. It's really, really good. Okay. This is a really good meal. A complete meal. Your vegetable, your rice, really, really good. This is my chicken thighs with a sticky sauce and my bok choy with a garlic sauce on it. Oh, so, so good. Okay, thank you for watching. Please subscribe and I will see you next time. Okay.